Chimes and bells and angels, woodwinds and brass on the sea of glass. All's choirs sing through trumpets and strings. There's no more curse in the universe. No, they've only dealt in harmony and love. Radio light from the face of Christ. All is in peace. Life shall not cease. Eternity is come through the sun. As the redeemed sing the song of the Lamb, all the heavenly host throughout the universe praise the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost. Praise the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost, as all proclaim God is love.